So this is going to be one of our last videos for now, which will show you at the end of the video why that's happening. We're going to show you some cool stuff that we have here first of all. So this is our 64 Buick Electra. You probably remember seeing this very rat rod looking, red metal flake roof, black paintwork, very rat looking, excellent interior, excellent running car. We painted it velvet blue, metal flake roof. We've done some netting on the roof, like an airbrush sort of style. We're just waiting to sort wheels for it, so we'll come more to that. We have Godzilla. We have an R32 GTR, built by June in Japan, also worked on by Top Secret. So if you know anything about Jap cars, this has been worked on by the best in the business. It has carbon bonnet, genuine truss kit, truss turbos, 2.8 stroker, OZ Futura split rims. It has all the OG Greddy gauges in it. It has Gondor mirrors, proper original boot spoiler. All the parts in this are all from Japan, all the best of the best. I'm actually going to show you. So, as you can see, look at that. All Greddy trust. Every part in this car is the best of the best brands. It's just amazing. The strut tops are the best I've seen on an R32 in the last 20 years, never mind now. Car's been dry stored, come out of a private collection. Some of us will recognise it. But yeah, really, real big Japan parts catalogue on it. So we've got that. That's one of our cars. The other one here is an R34. Yes, it's not a GTR. In my opinion, it's better, and I'm not saying that because I don't have a GTR. It's rear-wheel drive. It's more my type of car. It's 540 horsepower. It is running a 6258 precision turbo. It's run on Link ECU and all the supporting mods to help that. Extremely clean car. Engine bay in this car is unbelievable. It's got some nice GTR parts on it. It's got a set of, we love the T37s here, as you know, so set of genuine T37s on it. It's a GTR style kit on it. Really, really nice car. We've also a set of Evo 7 Recaros to go into it as well. So another nice car. All cars are available on the website. This car, 43,995, the GTR. Anybody that knows anything about them, £50,000 sounds like a lot for an old Nissan. For that car, compared to the market, that's a bargain for the parts that's on that car. You could probably break that car into silly, silly money. The Buick, we haven't got a real price on, but it's going to be well up in the 20s because of what was spent and the actual price of the car. So we're going, in the next sort of 8 weeks, we're going to do some video shorts. So we're going to do short 3-4 minute videos on some cars. Some guys will be helping us. Tom will be helping us. Shannon will be helping us. The reason is I'm going to be very busy with other things, and you're about to see why. As mentioned earlier in the video, this is the reason why our longer videos are going to be stopping for a couple of months. Not stopping, but we're just changing a few things because this is going to be our new home. This is our new site, so as you can see from behind here, obviously it's very raw at the minute. It's been used as a warehouse, so 10,000 square foot inside. We have a yard here at the front which some cars will be, and we have a massive yard at the back which we'll show you in a minute. We're going to have an allocated valet and detailing bay. We're going to put a shop in, and we're going to do wheels, we're going to do valet and stuff, cleaning stuff. So this is going to be a big massive move for us. At the minute this is going to be an empty shell. And what we're going to try and do is bring you along for the ride, let you see what it's like now, what we're going to be doing over the next sort of couple of months. Our videos still, our shorts, our videos still work, but the big YouTube stuff isn't just going to be, we just physically can't do it with the manpower, but we will get back as soon as we get in here. Officially, we're moving in here in March. We're going to have an open day in the summer when we'll get everything the way we want it, but come on ahead and we'll let you have a look inside. So these guys are still operating at the minute, so obviously all the shelving, etc. will come out. So this gives you an idea of the size of the unit. So I think we'll be one of Northern Ireland's biggest indoor independent showrooms, which is going to be a massive thing for us. It doesn't matter if it's snowing outside, what the weather's like, we can be here, well lit. And the idea is to give the customer that experience to have a look around the car and not be worried about wind, rain, anything like that. So it gives a lot more options. So our plan is here at the back, we'll partition this off. We'll have our mechanic in here, in-house mechanic that preps all the cars. Off to the side of this building here, there's another section which will be a designated detail and valeting bay for wheel refurbs and stuff like that whenever they're getting done, caliper repaints, things like that. So as you can see here, we're hoping to put sort of around 70 cars in here. We will be putting roller shutter doors in at the back to allow access in through the back and with access into the front. And we'll pan around here. So some offices up above here. We will have open offices down below as well. And in here, this is going to be where customers come through the front doors here. So the idea with this will be we'll have probably our NSX, our Buick, a few other bits and pieces inside here. Sort of floors black, walls black, really low lighting. So that's the idea with here. And I think this will be a lovely place for, we'll have, you know, games consoles up, race simulator, all that sort of idea, tea, coffee, all that, drinks. So it's just to give the customer a better experience and a very laid back, have a coffee, go have a look around, see if there's anything you like. And then we're here to answer any questions. We're going to try that sort of laid back routine like we always do. So yeah, this is a big, massive change for us. Big risk for us in business too, because obviously the second-hand car market is up and down so much at the minute. We are putting both our sites into one, so our Bangor branch at Eddie Irvine's and our Newton Ards branch on the Donegal Road will be closing. The Bangor branch will be closed at the end of January, so we will be operating out of the Ards branch as in for sales. Some stock will be here as well, and then in March the Ards branch will come in here as well. So pretty much the idea is just to get everything under one roof, and it means all the cars are in one place. So big massive thing for us. Bear with us for a couple of weeks until we get to the stage where we want to get to. There's a lot of painting to get done. There's a lot of work to be done. But we've got an excellent, I think you'll agree, we've got an excellent base here just to give an idea on exactly what way we're intending to go. And as mentioned, when we say we had a designated valeting bay, check this out. Now I don't know if I go down this way maybe, and it'll give you an idea of how far I have to walk. This will be where cars that are getting prepped. So we'll have a couple of floor ramps in here so cars can have the wheels taken off them. I'm still walking backwards, like this is crazy. Like Mitchell's going to be in his element, that's our valeter, he's going to love this. So yeah, so there's the size, this is our cleaning bay. So yeah, as I said, we're not messing around anymore, we're doing this properly. So once the cars are cleaned, this gap's going to get opened up here, or we'll open another one here. Once the cars are cleaned, they stay inside then. And the other good thing about that is too, people's came, like, there's nothing wrong with an outdoor yard. It's worked for us. This fell on our lap the way it happened. And we got that let down a few other places. But look, regardless of that, basically the idea is that once the car is clean, it's clean. And you know what it's like, you go down to a car dealership and that's not the car dealership's fault, but there's been snow, there's been rain, there's been dirt, there's been dust, and you're coming to see a car and you want to see the car in its best light. And I completely understand that. It's like, if you go to a shop, you want to see something in the best position it can be. It's not the car dealer's fault that it's rained the day before. We're not going to have that problem. We will have some cars out front, but most of the heavier cars and more prestige and higher end stuff's going to be inside. So the idea with that is that you're coming seeing it clean every time. No matter if you turn up out of the blue or you make an appointment. So that's another reason why we went for the indoor. Some people say you worry about passing trade. Yes, slightly, because if you've been to both our sites, we have excellent passing trade. But we think now with social media, with YouTube, with our videos, our shorts, our media, and obviously our website, which is getting updated at the minute too, we think that we should actually do better now with the indoor showroom. So that's the idea. We'll just take a walk and show you out the back here. So the idea with this is that we have a yard because we do want to expand. That's what you want to do in business. So we're going to expand, and I'll show you the size that we can get to if we need to. I think. Yep, it's like a 3-mile hike, and compared, to the yards we have, and people's been in our offices, and look, we had to start somewhere, and it's one of those things for us where this is such a big commitment, and thanks to you guys as well, all our customers, that we can actually make this happen, because if it wasn't for you, we can't sell cars. So we do appreciate your support. Like, I'm actually going to walk down here to give you an idea. So this is our yard at the back, which we've had all leveled. This was all like overgrown and things like that. So like, look at the size of this. Like how many cars? We could put 50, 60 cars out here easily. So You trust you, we're coming. Elite Autos are coming, and we're coming in big fashion. We're not messing about. So support us, do whatever you can to help us. Like, subscribe, share all our Facebook. We'll keep you up to date as build goes on over weeks. Maybe do it a 3 or 4 part sort of idea and give you an idea. And then our official launch will be in the summer, but we will be operational from March time. Phones are always still on. Both mobiles and our landline will always be still on. If you can't get us on the landline, because obviously we will be back and forth, just give us a call on either the mobiles, WhatsApp, email. There's loads of ways. You can fill in customer inquiry form on our website or on Used Cars NI as well. So look, just bear with us and be ready for some exciting times, and we'll get you all down so we can coffee and some burgers when we get opened up.